Hello and welcome to week 4 of Writing for the Workplace. We are uh, just about done project 1, and next week we'll be getting into project 2. So here is a quick rundown of what we're working on this week, and please pay attention as I'm going to point out a few things. So thank you for watching. That's probably why you're watching, to see what I can point out. Anyway, so we are revising the first project, the job application package. You should have received peer feedback. In addition, I went and recorded a quick little video with my feedback. You would find that under the comments on the graded page of the discussion post. If you do not see that, please email me and I will get it to you. But I did leave feedback for everybody. So that should be good. Overall, they look really good. Just some tweaking here and there. But I want to make sure we have everything we need for it. So with that said, there are a couple components that we need to make sure we have. So when you go to submit the job application package, submit it by Monday. So revised based on the feedback from the peers, myself, by 11:59 p.m. on Monday, not Tuesday, Monday, we want to complete and submit project 1. It should include your resume. And you can do this all in one Word doc if you want, all in one Google Doc, all in one PDF, however you want to do it. Resume, cover letter, a reflection letter, which I'm going to go over in a minute, and the original job posting. Those 4 things are important. I'll go over the reflection letter in a minute. The rubric, I'm going to link into the email that had the link to this video, as well as the announcement on the class page. So if you give me a second, this would be the rubric. So you're going to go through and see the resume. There's certain things we're looking for. The cover letter, what we're kind of looking for. Reflection letter, and do we have the job posting included or not? So you'll be able to go back and look at that. If you have questions, again, please email me. All right, so back to our job application package. So the reflection letter, 350, 400 words. Look, it's 323, 402. I'm not going through and counting them. If it's 100 words, yeah, that's not going to be enough. All right, business letter format, address it to me, Professor Ward. Here's what you want to focus on. The process of creating this. Looking at breaking down the job application, the posting, the rhetorical situation, getting feedback, revising it, your strengths and weaknesses. This could be, strengths of, hey, here's where I'm strong to go get this job, or weakness, like not necessarily weakness as in how to do a resume, but here, I want that position. I'm missing like an internship. So look for gaps to say, all right, I'm not ready to apply for this job yet, but when I graduate, I want to. What do I need to do between now and then? That can all be part of it. I mentioned the audience keywords, selling yourself. How do you make yourself stand out? And again, the process itself of doing the research, drafting, getting feedback, revising, all that stuff. All right. So that, again, you can pause this video, but that's kind of what you want to do in the job application package reflection letter. So we want to make sure we have these 4 things in there. All right, with that said, let's go back. So to week 4. So you're going to do that. To finish project 1, turn it in. All right. You're going to read this article, or these 2 articles, and then we're going to do this, and they're also linked here, discussion post. It does say to address at least 3 of these areas. There's links to a bunch of articles. I want to make this clear. Make sure you reference a couple of these articles to get full credit. If it's just a bunch of general thoughts off the top of your head, that's not going to be enough. I really want to make sure we kind of go through this. There's the next project we get into is going to be on like equity in the workplace, and this kind of starts to tie us into that a little bit, kind of. So we do want to make sure we're kind of reading these things and being thorough and make sure we at least refer back to a couple of these articles. And then you would respond to a classmate, and then read this, and that's, I mean, pretty much it for this week. So finish job application package, read these couple texts, answer 3 of these questions. I mean, do some time Googling, follow exactly what the directions say, and let's refer back to a couple texts. And other than that, that's really about it. So if you have any questions, again, please email me. I will get back to you. If you can't find the feedback I left on your job application package, let me know. Other than that, have a great week. Professor Ward is out of here. My best Harry Callis imitation.